Computer Science and Information Technology GATE 2026 syllabus. Section 1 in engineering mathematics. You have in engineering mathematics, you have in all the branches, you have a common syllabus. The main concentration on engineering mathematics. First, you have in a discrete mathematics, and then you'll be go for proportion. Propositional and first order logic. Then you will be sets, relations and functions, partial order and lattices, monoids, groups. These are all the engineering mathematics in section 1 in discrete mathematics. Next, you'll be go for graphs, connectivity, matching, coloring, combinatorics, counting, recurrence relations, generating functions. These are all. Next, I'll be go for the linear algebra. In the linear algebra, you majorly covered for matrices, determinants, system of linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and LU decomposition. Calculus, limits, continuity and differentiability, maxima and minima, mean value theorem, integration. This is the calculation part. Probability and statistics, random variables, uniform, normal, exponential, Pos- position and binomial distributions, mean, medium, mode and standard deviation, conditional probability and bias theorem. This is coming under the probability and statistics. Next, I will go for sections 2, digital logic. In section 2, I will go for the digital logic, Boolean algebra, combination and sequential circuits, minimization, number of representation and computer arithmetic, fixed and floating points. This is covered under digital logic. Section 3, computer organization and architecture, machine instructions and addressing modes, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, data path and control unit, instruction of pipelining, pipeline hazards, memory archi, cache and main memory, secondary storage, input and output interface, interrupt and DMA mode. Section 4, programming and data structures, programming in C, recursion, arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, trees, binary search trees, binary app. Section 5 in algorithms. In algorithm, first you will be go for searching, then sorting, parsing. You go for in case time and space complexity, algorithm design techniques, greedy, dynamic programming and drive and conquer, graph traversals, minimum spinning trees, shortest path. Section 6, theory of computations, regular expression and finite automata, context pre-grammars and push-down automata, regular and context pre-languages, pumping llama, Turing machines and undecidability. Section 7, I'll be go for compiler design, lexical analysis, pressing, syntax directed translations, runtime environments, intermediate code generation, local optimization, data flow analysis, constant propagation and liveness analysis, common sub expression. Section 8, operating system, system calls, processor, threads, interprocess communication, concurrency and synchronization, deadlock, CPU, control processing unit, input and output scheduling, memory management and virtual management, file system. This is covered under operating system. Next, I'll be go for section 9, databases, ER model, relation algebra, tuple calculus, SQL, structural quality language, integrity constraints, forms, file organization, indexing, example B or B plus trees, transactions and concurrency control. I will go for 10th one, computer networks, concept of layering, OSI and TCP and slash input protocols tracks, basics of packet, circuit and virtual circuit switching, data link layer, farming, error detection, medium access control, Ethernet bridging, routing protocols, shortest path, loading, distance vector, and link state routing, uh, fragmentation and input addressing, IPv4, CIDR notation, basics of input support protocols, ARP, DHCP, ICMP, network address translation, NAT, transport layer, flow control and congestion control, UDP, user datagram protocol, TCP, sockets, applications layer of protocols, DNS, SMTP, HTTP, FTP, email. Thank you. You have these are all the syllabus, the major topic you covered in computer science syllabus. First, you have look it here. In computer science and engineering in India, there are majority people will be applying. There are so many vacancies also is there. What happens to India? You have go for the digital way. The main region you have a lot of vacancies is there. First, you will be your concentration on engineering mathematics. Then I will be concentration on linear algebra, then you'll be go for calculus, probability and statistics, digital logic, computer organization and architecture, programming and data structures, algorithms, theory of computation, compiler design, operating system, database, computer network. These are all the major syllabus will be covered from the computer science engineering and relevant branch. This time you have in a two paper, many people will be choosing for the computer science syllabus for GATE 2026, and many have in interlink paper also in other branches also, in information technology, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and IoT, Internet of Things. These are all the branches you go for. Every branches in computer science GATE paper only, and in other interrelevant paper from ISC and CSC, and these are all IT, information technology also you go for computer science paper only. Please, everybody should be studied properly. Majority will be coming from the theory concept from the computer science paper. Please, everybody should be subscribe my channel. I'll be go for brief in the next videos. Subscribe, and please everybody should be like, share and comments.